Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could change the default browser of your Microsoft Windows 10. So to do so, you will have to go to your search tab and you will have to open the settings on the left side, or you can just go to the start app menu and you look for settings icon, you click on it, and in Windows settings we will open applications. On the left side we will click on the section default applications, and we will click or scroll down to web browsers, and here we will click on it and we will select the default browser which we want to use. Personally, I want to use Google Chrome. However, when clicking on it, if it doesn't list the browser which you want to use or you don't have it installed yet, you can always go for click on look for an application in the Microsoft Store. This will guide you to Microsoft Store, and from there you will be able to download and install your browser, and then you will have just to come back to again and select it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If you still need help or assistance, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to help us and to encourage us to make more videos, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.